So in this page, we're looking to establish different types of triangles based off of the information that we have available. And it's kind of weird because you wouldn't necessarily think that you could do anything more with a squared plus b squared equals c squared than what we have. The first scenario, in fact, is just that. But there are some other possibilities that actually play out. Now, there's one thing that it's definitely a typo, so somebody can claim this. These shouldn't be labeled. When I made my diagrams, I got a little too cute. I put the labels on, I felt fancy and everything, but then it actually will ruin everything if we go by this. All right, so, and in fact, the little statement at the bottom of the page here should read, the largest side of a triangle must always be C. All right, so that's the case when we're dealing with right triangles anyway. My little labels messed everything up though. All right, so in this case, the largest side here is 10, so that's going to be my C. The other two are interchangeable, it doesn't matter. All right, so let's take a look at the relationship here. We should have 8 squared plus 9 squared, and C squared should be 10 squared. Pen's dying. All right, so we have 64 plus 81. Just double checking. Is going to be 100. All right. So that's that. Now I just need the quick sum of the two. All right. So we are looking at 145 as compared to 100. All right. So 145 is a value that's greater than 100. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. Same idea. Here's my C. We're looking at 8 squared plus 12 squared, and then a 15 squared. 64 plus 144. That should be a 15, but my pen is struggling here. 225. All right, so we're looking at 208. Compared to 225, 208 is less than 225. All right. So if you look at the two different types of triangles, you could see that one of them is an acute triangle, or at least appears to be, and the other one appears to be obtuse. This technique allows us to justify that. But basically, if the squared values for two sides of a triangle are greater than the third, with the third one being the largest, then you're dealing with an acute triangle. If it's the other way around, if it's less than the largest value squared, then it would be considered obtuse. All right, so it's a little numerical justification for a geometric concept.